hard, but it is a hard thing. Dealing with the feelings of being here, not knowing what to expect.
Y'all was thinking, oh snap, what if I stumble? You know, like, are they gonna think I'm lying? Are they gonna think I'm like, you know, trying to dodge the question?
The thing is that you're human. We're human. You're not gonna.
You think what you want, baby? You're entitled.
That you judge yourself.
No, I did not let my daughter see the documentary. Thank you for the gifts, guys, and thank you for sharing the live. Thank you. And by the way, those men talking about some. Wait. What did that person say? You just keep on messing with manipulating men. And by the way, all those men that you're naming, all those men you allegedly saying are men or whatever. Yeah, allegedly saying are men. All of those men are where they want to be. They all make the choice of where they want to be. Number one. And number two, I've left every man that I was ever with because they're fucking stupid. I can't recall a man just leaving me like, oh, bitch, I don't want to be with you. Goodbye. I can't recall that, actually. So manipulating where? Because again, those men are where they want to be. Oh, and last time I checked, I'm the same bitch that they call. I'm the same woman that they call and be like, I want to work it out. I want to be with you. So manipulating where? Obviously, they love it here.
For his property. And that anything he wanted to us. No one was coming to pay us in these foreign countries.
No, I'm not pregnant. In this documentary was documented over the last 2 years, guys. I was pregnant with my last child, Mage. He is 2 years old now, okay? It doesn't matter. It's no benefit of the doubt. It's clear. These men are where they want to be. It's clear. I'm not in a relationship with them. They're not in a relationship with me. If it was such a manipulation, we would still be in some type of cycle, and we're not. So it's not no benefit of the doubt. It's literally clear. Like, let's be real here. The fuck? It's very clear. I went about my way, and they went about their way.
The abuse that was inflicted upon them was actually not even looked at as abuse.
That nigga wanted out so bad.
Because they're not legally viable. And so instead of having
Thank you for the
an attorney who was able to control his client,
thank you for the love. Thank you for the support.
I would like to fire my attorney.
Thank you.
that is not an option.
Wait.
Testify.
He tried to fire. He tried to fire his attorney mid-trial. I'm fucking dead. This man is impossible.
But
thank you.
If you put all those people out there, they're...
That nigga don't know what love is.
I still love you.
Alright, I just needed the court.
The cult of Nature Boy.
Your confidence builds one...
Countless. He raped countless of people.
Guilty.
Yep.
And count 2, false imprisonment.
And he should have more than 2 sentences of false imprisonment because he false imprisoned Mosul.
Count 3.
Yeah.
Count 4. And count 5.
No. I remember this. I never forget this day, boy. I was so happy
When I heard them say